give it to me. Yes, she did.
Did she?
She listens to everything, doesn't she?
What letter are you writing?
S. S.
For? S for who?
Scott.
That's right.
You know S is my favorite letter?
No.
It is.
S for snake?
Good job, Molly.
For slimy?
S's are hard. They're curvy. But you're holding the pencil very good. Yeah, give me 5. I can't believe you're almost finished with all of your writing book.
No, these will be very proud. What's wrong with that? Huh?
Yay, give me 5. Oh, sorry.
Turn the page.
You finished that page already?
Yes.
Are you smart or something? This down. Oh, sorry. What's the next letter?
S.
S. S. What's the next letter?
S.
No.
O.
What letter's that? Almost. It's a C.